You want your dog to come to you every time you call them? Let me teach you how. I recommend that you teach your dog sit, down, and leave it before teaching them recall. The reason why I recommend using a leash when teaching your dog to recall is that way if they're not listening at all, you can go ahead and use that leash to gently guide them towards you, especially as it's the first time. Toby's 12 years old. He really knows what's up here, but it's important for you to set yourself and your dog up for success. Toby, come. Yes. Sit. Good job. Practicing a little bit of duration and a little bit of distance here and releasing. Toby, okay. Good job. As always, put your questions in the comments and I will respond to as many as I can. And if you'd like more helpful training tips, smash that follow button.